Picture this. It's the late 60s, America's highways are buzzing with rebellion, and out roars the beast that redefined compact muscle, the Chevrolet Nova SS, small enough to slip through traffic like a shadow, but packing a punch that could smoke any pony car in its path. If you're a gearhead dreaming of V8 thunder in a lightweight package, stick around. Today, we're diving deep into the icons of 69 to 71, exterior swagger, cockpit comfort, and performance that still turns heads. Let's burn some rubber. Starting with the outside, the Nova SS was Chevy's secret weapon in the muscle wars, a sleek, no-nonsense design on a tight 111-inch wheelbase that made it agile yet aggressive. Launched in 68 and refined through 71, its fastback coupe body screamed speed with a low-slung roofline and hidden headlights in later tweaks. But the SS treatment? Pure fire. Blacked-out grille with those signature SS badges gleaming like chrome trophies, dual exhaust tips snarling from the rear, and optional hood scoops, fake vents in 69 that hinted at the fury underneath. Fenders flared just right for those wide rubber bands, and in 71, the Rally Nova variant added bold black or white stripes racing from nose to tail, plus 6-slot rally wheels that gripped like claws. Weighing under 3,000 pounds, it looked like a street fighter ready to rumble, compact, curvaceous, and unapologetically American. No wonder it turned every driveway into a showroom. Slide behind the wheel, and the interior wraps you in 60s cool without the frills. Bucket seats up front, firm, supportive vinyl or optional cloth that hugged you through corners, with a center console shifter begging for a 4-speed dance. The dash? A clean sweep of analog gauges, speedo pushing 120, touch redlining at 6,000 revolutions per minute, and fuel/oil temps keeping you honest. Wood grain accents on the console and door panels added a touch of class, while the sports steering wheel felt like it was carved for canyon carving. Options piled on the luxury: power steering for effortless twists, front disc brakes standard on SS for fade-free stops, air conditioning to battle summer sweat, and even rear shoulder belts for safety smarts. In 71, custom trim levels bumped up the carpeting and upholstery game, making long hauls feel like a lounge. It's intimate, for adults fit snug, but that's the point, driver-focused fury, not family hauler vibes. Now, the heartbeat, performance that made the Nova SS a legend. Under that hood? A snarling 350 cubic inch V8 as standard, pumping 295 gross horsepower in 69, enough for 0 to 60 in under 7 seconds and quarter miles in the low 14ths. Crank it with the optional 4-barrel carb, and you're at 300 horses. Go big block with the 396 in 69 to 70, hitting 350 or even 375 horsepower for wheelie territory. Torque? Over 380 lb-ft to launch you like a slingshot. Pair it with the close ratio Muncie 4-speed manual for pure driver bliss, or the turbo-hydromatic 350 auto if you wanted lazy luxury. Heavy-duty suspension soaked up bumps while keeping it planted, and posi-traction rear-end clawed corners. By 71, emissions tweaks dropped net HP to 270, but it still outran most compacts. Fuel economy? Forget it, 12 to 15 miles per gallon was the price of glory. This wasn't just a car, it was a time machine to drag strips and drive-ins, where 500-plus SS units flew off lots yearly. The Chevrolet Nova SS. It's the unsung hero of muscle car lore, affordable power that punched way above its weight. From 69's raw edge to 71's refined rally, it captured America's wild spirit. Dreaming of owning one? Drop a comment below. What's your ultimate Nova build? Hit like, subscribe for more classic deep dives, and I'll see you on the next Burnout. Drive safe, rev hard.